Welcome to Wealth Echelon, your go-to spot for smart investing, in-depth ETF insights, and book reviews that help you build wealth. On this channel, we explore everything from the best investment strategies to the latest trends in ETFs and provide valuable takeaways from books that can transform your financial journey. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, our goal is to give you the knowledge you need to make informed decisions and grow your wealth. If you're ready to elevate your financial game, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the bell for updates on all our latest content. If you could turn just $10,000 into a stream of passive income that pays you every single month, money that shows up whether you're sleeping, traveling, studying, or simply living your life, would you want to know exactly how much that could be? Because there's a strange truth about investing that most people never realize. You don't need millions of dollars to start experiencing real passive income. You don't need to be an expert. You don't need to pick risky stocks or time the market. Instead, you can tap into one of the simplest, oldest, and most reliable wealth-building tools in existence, real estate. But not through buying apartments, taking big loans, or fixing broken toilets. Instead, through REITs, real estate investment trusts, one of the most powerful cash flow engines that the average investor completely overlooks. And today, we're breaking down a question everyone wants to understand. If you invest $10,000 into REITs, how much passive income can you realistically earn every month? Is it $20, $50, $100, more? And the real shock comes when you see how compounding can turn small monthly payouts into life-changing long-term income. So sit back, because this isn't just about numbers. It's about building a roadmap to future financial freedom, starting with whatever amount you already have. When people think about earning passive income from real estate, the first image that comes to mind is owning a physical property, a house, a flat, or a rental unit. But for many people, especially beginners, that's not realistic. Property is expensive, requires loans, comes with maintenance, paperwork, taxes, and constant management headaches. That's why REITs exist, giving everyday investors the ability to own income-producing real estate without ever touching a property. REITs collect rent, distribute earnings, and legally must pay out at least 90% of their taxable income to shareholders. That's why they are one of the highest yielding assets available to regular investors. And when you invest $10,000 into REITs, your income depends on three things: the type of REIT you choose, the dividend yield, and whether you're reinvesting or cashing out your earnings. To understand how much you can earn monthly, you first need to know what dividend yields look like in the REIT world. Some REITs pay around 3 to 4%, which is considered safe and stable. Others pay between 5 to 7%, targeting higher cash flow. And then there are special high-yield REITs, typically mortgage REITs or highly leveraged REITs, that can pay 10%, 12%, or even more. Each category pays differently because they operate in different sectors of real estate. Equity REITs own physical properties like apartments, shopping centers, warehouses, hospitals, or data centers. Mortgage REITs don't own real estate. They lend money for real estate and make profits from interest. They usually pay more because they carry more risk. But regardless of which category you choose, you can estimate your monthly earnings by applying the yield to your $10,000. Let's start with a conservative, stable yield, 4%. A 4% annual yield on $10,000 gives you $400 per year. Divide that by 12 months and you get around $33 per month. It's not life-changing, but it's completely passive and arrives without effort. And here's the interesting part. Many investors dismiss this amount, believing it's too small to matter. But income investing is a snowball effect. As you reinvest these monthly or quarterly dividends, your position grows. When your position grows, your dividends grow. And when your dividends grow, your future investment speed accelerates. That $33 might eventually become $50, then $200, then $500, and eventually enough to cover real living expenses. Every long-term investor who builds a REIT income portfolio started from a small number just like this. Now let's explore the mid-range, a 6% REIT yield. This is extremely common for many high-quality REITs. A 6% annual yield on $10,000 gives you $600 per year, or about $50 per month. At this level, investors start to feel the difference. $50 per month might pay for your mobile bill, a streaming subscription, or part of your groceries. It's a small step toward financial independence. And if you reinvest your dividends at this yield, your compounding accelerates dramatically. After several years, even without adding more money, the reinvestment process can grow your annual income by 20 to 50% depending on market conditions and dividend increases. But the number most people are curious about is the high yield range, 10% and above. Many mortgage REITs and special REIT ETFs consistently pay around 9 to 12% yields. At a 10% yield, $10,000 produces $1,000 per year in passive income, or around $83 per month. This is where things start feeling meaningful. You're now earning nearly a full utility bill, a large portion of your groceries, or even a small part of rent every single month. And if you choose a monthly paying REIT, the income comes more frequently and can be reinvested faster, which boosts compounding. However, it's important to understand that high yields come with higher risk. Mortgage REITs depend deeply on interest rates and economic cycles. While they pay more, their share prices can be volatile. But for income-focused investors, even allocating a portion of their portfolio to these high-yield options can significantly increase monthly cash flow. That's why many investors build a balanced REIT portfolio, mixing low, mid, and high-yield positions to combine stability with strong income. Now let's take this breakdown even further by imagining different possible scenarios. In the conservative scenario, with a 3% yield, your $10,000 pays about $300 per year or $25 per month. In the balanced scenario, with yields around 5 to 6%, you're earning between $40 and $60 per month. And in the aggressive scenario, with high-yield REITs paying 10 to 12%, your monthly income ranges between $80 and $100. These numbers show a powerful reality. Even a small amount of money can create a noticeable cash flow. But the real magic begins when you expand beyond $10,000. Because if $10,000 pays you $50 per month at a typical 6% yield, then scaling that to $50,000 would produce $250 per month. And $100,000 would generate $500 per month. And that's only at the mid-range yield. If you used high-yield REITs, $100,000 could generate $800 to $1,000 per month. In many cases, enough to support real living expenses. But let's return to the original $10,000 example, because that's where most investors start. The biggest mistake new investors make is withdrawing their dividends too early. When you reinvest every payout back into the REIT, you buy more shares. More shares mean more dividends, and more dividends buy even more shares. Over 5 years, reinvesting dividends could add hundreds or even thousands of dollars to your initial investment without you ever depositing extra money. And if the rate grows in value over time, which many REITs historically do, your total position increases even further. You are not just earning income, you're building wealth. Many people also underestimate how REITs protect you from inflation. When rents go up, REIT income goes up. When property prices rise, REIT share values tend to rise. And because real estate keeps generating cash flow regardless of inflation, REIT investors continue receiving income even when the economy is unstable. This makes REITs a defensive investment and a smart long-term addition to any passive income strategy. Another important factor is dividend consistency. Some REITs raise dividends yearly, which increases your monthly income without you having to invest more. A REIT growing its dividend by even 2 to 3% per year can drastically increase your long-term income. For example, if you start with $50 per month and your REIT grows dividends over time, you could be earning $60, then $70, and eventually over $100 per month without any extra contribution. This is why long-term investors love REITs, not just for the high initial yield, but for the predictable growth. One more thing that makes REITs powerful is that you don't need to choose individual REITs. You can invest through REIT ETFs, which combine dozens of real estate companies into a single investment. These ETFs offer diversification, stability, and automatic balancing. Some REIT ETFs even pay monthly dividends, which smooth out your income and make reinvestment easier. For a $10,000 investment, a monthly paying REIT ETF offering around a 5 to 6% yield would pay you roughly $40 to $60 per month. And because ETFs spread risk across many properties and sectors, apartments, warehouses, retail, healthcare, storage units, hotels, they offer more consistent long-term performance. Let's make the numbers even more relatable. Imagine you invest $10,000 today and choose a REIT ETF paying 6% annually. You earn about $600 a year or $50 a month. If you reinvest dividends and the price grows modestly, your $10,000 could become $15,000 or more over the next decade. Your monthly income could grow from $50 to $75 without any additional deposits. And if you add even small contributions each month, like $50 or $100, your compounding accelerates even faster. This is why income investing changes people's financial lives. It starts small, but it grows quietly in the background. With discipline and patience, REITs can create a secondary income source that becomes meaningful over time. Whether you're investing for financial freedom, early retirement, or simply to reduce financial stress, REITs provide a simple, powerful, and accessible path to steady passive income. So how much can you earn monthly from a $10,000 REIT investment? The realistic range is about $25 to $100 per month, depending on the yield and risk level. But the real value is not the starting income. It's the long-term growth. The small payments you receive today are the seeds of a much larger financial future. REITs lets you build a portfolio that pays you every month, grows your wealth, and moves you closer to financial independence, one dividend at a time. Thanks for watching Wealth Echelon. We hope you found valuable insights that will help you on your investing journey. If you enjoy the video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Keep building your wealth, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more investing tips, ETF strategies, and book reviews to continue growing your financial knowledge.